So we have two spots for the cat food to be put. One is here in this enclosure that I built that only the cats can get in, hopefully. So there is a it's probably too dark to see, but there's a dish in here that just keep it full. They can come in and eat whenever they like. The other place that we'll want to put food will be up on the balcony where the dogs can't get to it either. But just put it up there on the balcony, close to the door. We'll provide a fairly good sized container, so there'll be enough space for a big pile of food. Just keep a pile there so they can eat whenever they feel like it.